today. Get it out of the way.
Right.
Weight supporting itself with that big arch like that.
Colors with the sun and this blue sky. By the time we get up, hopefully by the time I get up, I can take a picture. And the sun is not down.
Turn left, then you will arrive at your destination.
That's what it says. Parking, no charge. Actually, I think we're coming perfect time for during sunset, like golden hour.
Yeah, looking out that way.
Yeah.
Across the street, look on that side.
Oh my goodness. Imagine my phone fell. we're gonna go eat, and then we're gonna go, I guess, like walk on the strip. Kind of, he's gonna get a scooter, so we're both gonna be on scooters, and then we're gonna go see bodies, real bodies. I don't know. Hopefully, it's a fun day. If not, I'm gonna be so mad. Just kidding. Um, yeah, I have a little rash on my lip. I don't know what's going on. I didn't wear lipstick yesterday, so I don't know why they feel this way. But yeah, it's noon, almost to 12:30. Yeah, it's strong over here, huh? Maybe it's this here.
Let me know dining with us tomorrow. Make sure you do your reservation, okay?
Oh, it's gonna be busy tomorrow.
Yes, they're starting tomorrow. Reservation home.
Okay, because we're gonna check out tomorrow, so maybe we'll do that. So.
Okay.
Thank
Just
you.
let me know.
Thank you very much.
That way I can confirm.
Okay. You want to be here tomorrow before we go? Reservation, if you want.
Okay.
It's up to you. We don't have to be here. We just make a reservation in case we decide to. And it's naturally spicy too. You know, like it had spices.
Can't see the food. I'm afraid I'm gonna be able to finish it.
It's a little sweet.
That was spicy. Well, just a little. I was afraid it's gonna get spicier. I need to sit good for this.
Expand a little. Well, there's your egg over there.
I already ate one.
Oh, okay. This one was yummy.
I hate that I love eating. How do you feel on it? Oh my god. Okay. I should have let you get inside first. Okay, well, as you fit. As you fit. You'll be able to get out easily.
Like I'm on a Harley because I can put my legs out like this.
Yeah. Oh, that's gonna be loud. Oh no, huh?
I'm not doing it all the way. I want to set it off. This one actually be.
Oh.
It goes a little slow down.
That thing looks huge. Let's go.
That's as fast it goes.
You really? Are you sure?
That's as fast it goes.
Oh, that sucks. No. Really? That's so slow.
They probably just wanted this thing inside the casino, so that's why it's so slow.
Yeah. I think the outside people that loan them, maybe those ones are like faster.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a learning experience, right?
Yeah. Megan's car got stolen. He looks so funny.
Are there other elevators? It was right here. This one.
It was right here. Nothing, I'm talking to the camera. Wait, are you sure we were on 4? That was yesterday, right? That is weird. You know how where you can like track your car? We can't find his car. I think somebody stole it. He parked it there. There. Are you mad?
I'm scared of that. Why is it funny?
Are you gonna get out first with me?
Well, it's not here. It's definitely not here.
That's just so weird. I don't know. I feel like maybe you don't remember. And then we're just gonna laugh that you didn't remember. Or maybe you didn't put the handicap thing.
That's what I'm saying.
So where are we gonna go? To the office?
We'll go to security and see if they had something.
Okay. I can't stop laughing.
A few inches later. He's mad.
You can just leave it there or you want to drive it. It's fine. It's right there.
I'll try it.
Okay.
Huh?
Even if you do this, you go slower.
Dang it.
Don't walk, buddy. I can't catch you. What do you think? Sure, I'm trying to figure out how to get them.
Okay, so here's your paper. I'm just going to tear it up.
Perfect. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that.
So we're not gonna go to the strip anymore because Dagan has to figure out his stolen car.
So I'll be in the area if I get any notification. I'll try to find it.
Thanks. Okay.
I feel like any minute you're gonna slap me.
I'm trying not to.
Dagan! It's gonna be fine. Domestic violence. He threatened me with violence. Slapping me.
Don't say that.
You did. It's okay. Dang it. Calling the police.
All day long, and I've dealt with this all the time when I work. I parked right outside the elevator door.
Yeah.
And we went through every floor.
So what did he say that they found your car? They said they found your car.
He said that, but let's see.
On number 2.
Down there? Is there another one?
Actually, maybe. I kind of remember walking more.
Yeah, were we?
Yeah. Yeah, maybe.
Hope so.
You should have looked down.
Well, I would have if that stupid cart would have went faster. But that thing was killing me. The car? Yeah. What, this is it on? Is it in front of that? You get another elevator? Yep.
I got one down, that's accessible down, or down a little further.
Okay.
But we'll just take this out.
As we were walking over here, she was saying that it seems like we walked a little further than normal because we're always in this elevator.
Yeah.
And I parked right in front of the door. So when I got out, it wasn't there. I really appreciate it. Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, thank you. You too.
It's here. I knew, I was like, I don't think someone would steal it.
Especially if I say, you know what, I'm gonna change my mind. I want a faster one.
Yeah. So Dagan found his car. It was in another elevator, and which I kind of suspected. I was like, cause that's just rare. Who's gonna steal a car? I just put it in the back. You can put it in the back of my chair.
Well, I'm not gonna need it now if we're not gonna use a scooter. But if you need one, we'll take it. Okay, I just want to take it, drag it on the wheels.
And we still want to go see the bodies, but he doesn't like the scooter he had because it's too slow for him.
That's right. Yeah, racing scooter.
And the independent scooter places are too far away, so I guess we're gonna try to figure out what to do now. That's my boyfriend.
Panic relief mode.
So he said that we're gonna go ask concierge. How do you pronounce that? Concierge?
Yeah.
If there's any like close scooters type of places.
I know you have scooter rentals in the hotel, but they're like for the hotel, I guess, and they're really slow. Do you know of anybody else?
No, they slow down all the scooters.
You just did. They slow down all the scooters.
That sucks.
Yeah.
Seems like all the scooters, even the ones that are independent, like outside.
Everybody's
Yeah.
got slowed down. Probably in the city made them slow down. That's what
Yeah, because
city
supposedly
ordinance to make
there's
people are getting.
too much damage. It caused too much damage inside the casinos.
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
Probably out there, accidents and stuff. Too many collisions. A lot of cities are having that problem with rentals. Once you fast, you're getting hurt.
Yeah, they don't know how to drive scooters like me. I'm a pro.
Right, you're a pro.
Yeah.
You're an instructor.
Yeah, I mean, I guess in some way that's nice because it's kind of annoying seeing other people. It's kind of annoying seeing other people.
Everybody.
Yeah, like seeing able-bodied people using scooters when they're like having all fun and stuff. I know. Sounds like how do you say that? Like I'm a Debbie Downer. I'm a
Just
negative person. Yeah. No, but then that sucks because then Dagan cannot get a normal.
Like, sucks is I can't go out there and crash into somebody. I
Yeah.
wanted my opportunity and they got stolen from me.
Yeah, for sure.
Toes over.
Mhm.
Oh, all right. Now what? Taxi?
Mm.
What do you want to do?
So we're not going anymore. We're just gonna stay, play, and play. Dagan's gonna play, and I'm gonna watch.
Oh, 80 credits. Want to leave? There's $140. We double our money.
Oh, we did?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
Keep playing then.
Want anything?
I have one.
What do you want?
margarita.
I was worth lighting at a house party.
So we saw a whole other Dagan today.
Panicked one.
I've never seen him like that, like really mad, like scary. I thought he was gonna slap me.
I was trying to hold my composure because I was with you. I was with a nice lady.
But you were being rude to me too. Just kidding.
Because you were being a pain in the ass.
Me?
Yeah.
Never.
Should we go find a 21 machine and win our $3 back?